that the SAPS wants to arrest him. And he wanted also to know how were they protecting him.
Witness C, your exact words in paragraph 98 say, he thereafter reached out to Mr. Mchunu and the minister and told them that the SAPS wanted to arrest him. By this, did he mean that he spoke to the minister directly and told them, meaning he also told the minister? Did he mean he spoke to the minister directly?
Thank you, Commissioner. That is my apprehension to say that it means he directly spoken to him, though he didn't specifically said that, yes, on this date and time, I contacted Minister Mchunu and spoke to him directly.
And what was I'm sorry, please continue.
And on this date and time, I contacted Brown Mchunu and spoke to him about it. Thank you.
And what was your sense? Was this supposed to have been face-to-face, or was it supposed to have been a telephone call? Or by what means did he make contact and speak to them?
Commissioners, I wouldn't know exactly, but what he indicated is that most of the times that he communicates with them, it would be via WhatsApp or Signal. He didn't specify as to when he reached out to them, was it personal or over the line.
And did you ask for proof of such contact with the minister?
No, commissioners. At that time, commissioners, we were listening to what he was telling us, as he is the one who indicated that he wanted to talk. So then now, when one wants to talk, you lend an ear to that person, and that is what we did, commissioners.
And the last two sentences of the paragraph say he demanded to know how they, that's Mr. Mchunu and the minister, would protect him. He demanded direct action from the minister, who refused to help him. With regard to these two sentences as well, I assume that you would give similar responses or answers with regard to the detail about which I just asked you.
That is correct, commissioners.
Thank you, witness.
Just before you continue, Ms. Motlasedi, witness C, in your paragraph 95, when you gave oral testimony, you left out an important word there, so maybe you should read the first sentence in full so that we have it on record. I think the word preceding security, you left it out when you were giving your oral evidence.
Commissioner Khumalo, should I read the whole paragraph from the first line, Commissioner?
Just read the whole paragraph, maybe, for the record. Paragraph 95.
Thank you, Commissioners. He told us that the minister engaged state security on his behalf and utilized grabber machines in order to pick up the identities of the SAPS officials investigating him. Mr. Mchunu thereafter sent him the vehicle registration numbers of the vehicles that came to his property. Mr. Matlala disclosed that this is how he came to know the identities of the two officers who played a key role in the operation.
Thank you. I think the word you have left out is state, which is reference to state security.
That is correct. I omit, it is an omission. Commissioners.
Thank you, Commissioner Khumalo. Witness C, could we then please turn to paragraph 98 of your statement?
I am there, Commissioners.
Paragraph 98, you've given evidence that Mr. Matlala contacted the minister and Mr. Mkhotsi and demanded to know how they would protect him, and that he further demanded direct action from the minister. In sharing that with you, did Mr. Matlala explain to you on what basis he was entitled to make those demands and why he could demand protection directly from the minister?
Thank you, Commissioners. There, I will only make my own conclusions to say that he will demand, as he is one of the people who are contributing towards the campaign of the minister in becoming the president of the ANC, and because he towards the end he indicated that he had a feeling that these people are using him in order to get to Lieutenant General S.D. Khumalo. That is why he was advised to open a case against myself and my commander as the two key role players in the operation of the 6th December in order to get through to General S.D. Khumalo.
Thank you, Witness.
If I may, Witness, the question to you from Ms. Mahlasedi was whether Mr. Matlala said to you, did he explain to you on what basis he was entitled to make the demand? You've expressed your opinion. Is your answer that he did not say the basis on which he's entitled to make that demand?
Thank you, Commissioner Baloyi. Yes, indeed, he did not say. That is why I only made a conclusion.
Thank you.
Thank you, Commissioner Baloyi. And notwithstanding Mr. Matlala's demand and notwithstanding the financial assistance you've alluded to, what steps did he take after his request for direct action was refused?
Thank you, Commissioners. He indicated that after he saw that this is become the protection that he was supposed to be receiving from the minister is not receiving. So he indicated that he went to KZN to see Undosi, and Undosi, with which he was referring to former Minister General Bheki Cele.
Did he explain what assistance he thought he could get from former Minister Cele?
Commissioners, he went and informed former Minister Bheki Cele to say that he indeed has a problem with the members that came to his house, and he was advised to make a false case against the police, and that the false case included the watch, the Rolex watch that it was said that he had stolen, And in actual fact, on the day that he went to see former Minister Cele, he also alluded that he was wearing the same watch, and he showed the same watch to the minister.
I am not sure that that answers my question. Mr. Cele is a former Minister of Police. He is no longer the Minister of Police. Minister Mchunu is the Minister of Police. What assistance did Mr. Matlala say he expected to get from Minister Cele, if he told you at all?
Thank you, commissioners. He didn't state as to what assistance was he expecting to receive from former Minister Cele.
Did he say why he went to see him, the reason for the decision to go and see him?
Thank you, Commissioner. The reason for him to go and see the former Minister Cele is that it is because he saw that these people were using him in order to get to Lieutenant General S.D. Kumalo.